Calculus 2, Review 2, Part 1. Integral secant 8x tan 8x dx. Let u equal secant 8x. Therefore, du will equal 8 secant 8x tan 8x dx. And therefore, 1/8 du equals secant 8x tan 8x dx. 1/8 integral du goes to 1/8 u plus c, gives us 1/8 secant 8x plus c. Integral x to the 4th power secant squared 6x to the 5th plus 3 dx. U equals 6x to the 5th power plus 3. So therefore du will equal 30x to the 4th power dx, giving us 1/30 du equals x to the 4th power dx. 1/30 integral secant squared u du. Integral of secant squared u is tan u, giving us 1/30 tan 6x to the 5th plus 3 plus c. Cosine to the 5th 4z sine 4z dc. Let u equal cosine 4z and du will equal -4 sine 4z dz, giving us 1/4 du equals sine 4z dz. -1/4 integral u to the 5th power du goes to -1/4 to the times 1/6 u to the 6th plus c, which gives us -1/24 cosine to the 6th power 4z plus c. Integral sine ln y all divided by y dy. Let u equal ln y, which goes to du equals 1/y dy. Integral sine u du. The integral of sine u is negative cosine u. Negative cosine u plus c is negative cosine ln absolute value y plus c. Integral cosine 5x divided by e to the sine 5x dx, which goes to integral cosine 5x e to the negative sine 5x dx. Let u equal negative sine 5x, which gives us du equaling -5 cosine 5x dx, which gives us -1/5 du equals cosine 5x dx. -1/5 integral e to the u du. Integral of e to the u is e to the u. So -1/5 e to the u plus c is -1/5 e to the negative sine 5x. Integral x times square root 4 minus x dx. Integrate by parts. Integral u dv equals uv minus integral v du. U equals x. dv equals square root 4 minus x. X times -2/3 times 4 minus x to the power of 3/2 minus integral -2/3 times 4 minus x to the power of 3/2 dx. Let u equal 4 minus x and du equals negative dx, which gives us negative du equals dx. X times -2/3 4 minus x to the power of 3/2 minus 2/3 integral u to the 3/2 du. Power rule. Integral of u to the 3/2 gives us 2/5 u to the 5/2. -2/3 times 4 minus x to the 3/2 x plus 2/3 times 2/5 u to the 5/2 plus c, which gives us -10 times 4 minus x to the 3/2 x minus 4 times 4 minus x to the power of 5/2 all divided by 15 plus c, which gives us -1/15 times -10 times 4 minus x to the power of 3/2 x minus 4 times 4 minus x to the power of 5/2 plus c. 1/2 integral x sine 2x dx. Integrate by parts. Integral u dv equals uv minus integral v du. Let u equal x and dv equals sine 2x. 1/2 times x times negative 1/2 cosine 2x minus integral negative 1/2 cosine 2x dx. Let u equal 2x, du equals 2 dx, which gives us 1/2 du equals dx. 1/2 times negative 1/2 x cosine 2x plus 1/2 times 1/2 integral cosine u du. Integral of cosine u is sine u. Negative 1/4 x cosine 2x plus 1/8 sine 2x plus c. Integral 0 to pi x sine x plus cosine x dx. Integral u dv equals uv minus integral v du. Let u equal x and dv equal sine x. Integral 0 to pi x sine x dx plus integral 0 to pi cosine x dx. X times negative cosine x 0 to pi minus integral 0 to pi negative cosine x dx plus integral 0 to pi cosine x dx. Integral of cosine x is sine x. X times negative cosine x 0 to pi plus sine x 0 to pi plus sine x 0 to pi gives us x times negative cosine x plus 2 sine x 0 to pi. Pi times negative cosine pi plus 2 sine pi gives us pi times 1 plus 2 times 0, which equals pi. Integral e to the 2t sine e to the t dt. Let u equal t and du equal dt. Integral e to the 2u sine e to the u du. Let u2 equal e to the u, du2 equal e to the u du, and 1 over e to the u du2 equals du. Integral u2 sine u2 du. Let u equal u2, dv equal sine u2. u2 times negative cosine u2 minus integral negative cosine u2 du2. Integral of cosine u2 is sine u2. Negative u2 cosine u2 plus sine u2 plus c gives us negative e to the t cosine e to the t plus sine e to the t plus c. Integral 5 sine square root y dy. Let u equal square root y, which gives us du equals 1/2 y to the negative 1/2, dy, which gives us 2 du equals y to the negative 1/2. 5 times 2 integral u sine u du. U equals u, dv equals sine u. 10u times negative cosine u minus integral negative cosine u du. Integral of cosine u is sine u. So 10 times negative u cosine u plus sine u plus c gives us 10 times negative square root y cosine square root y plus sine square root y plus c.